Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting in your Windows, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process to fix it. It may be due to driver issues, power settings, or router problems, so you can follow up these steps. The first thing you can do is you can restart your PC. Go ahead and look out for the restart option on your screen and find it up and go ahead and restart. You can also restart your router and modem, unplug them for 30 seconds and plug them back in. The next step you can do is you can forget and reconnect to a Wi-Fi. Hit Windows plus I and open up your settings. From there, go to Network and Internet and open it up. Once you are in Network and Internet, go to Wi-Fi and open it up. And once you're under Wi-Fi, you can go to Network. Your connected Wi-Fi, open it up. And from there, just scroll down and find the option for forgetting it and removing it. Once you remove it, you can just go ahead and reconnect that by entering your password again. Another thing you can do is you can update your Wi-Fi driver, hit Windows plus X and go to Device Manager, hit Enter. Once you hit Enter, you can just go over and go to option for network adapters. Once you find it up, you can expand it up and go to network adapters and right click on your Wi-Fi adapter. After that, click on Update Driver and then just go ahead and click on Search Automatically, which is this one right here. Click on it and open it up. And if the problem still persists, you can download the latest driver from the manufacturer website itself. And another thing you can do is you can disable power saving for Wi-Fi adapter. Hit Windows plus X, go to Device Manager once again, hit Enter. From there, just go to Network Adapters. Once you find Network Adapter, go ahead and right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter that is connected currently. And once you find it up, you can go to Properties and go to Power Management tab. And from there, you can uncheck this option, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and click on OK. And close this up. The next thing we can do is we can reset our network settings. Hit Windows plus I and open up your device's settings. From that, go to Network and Internet, open it up. And from there, just scroll down and find the option for Advanced Network Settings. Open it up. And from there, you can just go ahead and look out for the option for Network Reset. This one right here. Once you find it up, you can just go and click on Reset Now and restart your PC and reconnect to the Wi-Fi, and that should also help. So for now, you can try out this method if you'd like to fix the issue. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.